It's just my luck, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, it's just my luck. This phrase is often heard in everyday conversations, but what does it really mean? We'll break it down for you, explain its usage, and provide examples to help you understand how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. It's just my luck is a phrase used to express that something has happened in the way you expected, but unfortunately, it's usually in a negative or unlucky context. When someone says this, they're often implying that they tend to have bad luck or that unlucky things frequently happen to them. It's a way of commenting on an unfortunate situation with a bit of humor or resignation. Let's break down the components of the phrase. It's is a contraction of it is, indicating something happening or existing. Just, in this context, means simply or only. My luck refers to one's fortune or the way things tend to turn out for them. When combined, it's just my luck suggests that the situation is typical of the speaker's usual fortune, which is not good. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. I finally buy an umbrella, and then it stops raining. It's just my luck. 2. I missed the bus by just a minute. It's just my luck. 3. Every time I forget my jacket, it gets cold. It's just my luck. In each of these examples, the speaker is experiencing something unfortunate or inconvenient that seems typical for them. This phrase is best used in informal contexts, like conversations with friends or family. It's often used to add a light-hearted tone to a complaint or to share a minor misfortune without sounding too serious. However, it's not appropriate for formal or serious situations. So, there you have it, a look at the phrase, it's just my luck. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and how to use it in everyday English. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your English learning journey.